Hola amigos, I've got such a treat for you today. We are making vegan birria ramen, and the base of the recipes, it's made exactly like if you were going to make birria. In fact, you could make a big pot of vegan birria and then either make just the birria tacos or check out my other recipe for the vegan birria pozole. It's a tongue twister. Or you can turn it into vegan birria ramen. And as you can see, the base of the recipe is made exactly like how you would make the birria, and it's involves sauteing mushrooms with onion, with seasonings, and making your salsa. See how nice and brown the mushrooms are? It's so scrumptious. And then you're going to strain the salsa into your pot with your seasonings, some apple cider vinegar, some magical Maggi sauce, which is vegan, by the way. At least the Mexican one is. So make sure you look for the label. Then you're going to add your favorite vegan broth, and you're just going to let that come to a boil. And then once it's boiling, you're going to add the flavorful sauteed mushrooms to the pot, and you're just going to let that simmer until all the flavors come together. Now, if you wanted a thinner ramen, you could add more vegetable broth to it, and there's no need for fancy ramen noodles here. I just used the cheap Great Value brand, and you toss away the seasoning package, and all you're going to do is follow the instructions on the ramen package how to cook the noodles, and then you're going to serve them in a small bowl, and then just pour your vegan birria right on top of it. Add your favorite toppings, be it like your birria toppings or ramen toppings. As you can see, I like to keep it very simple. It's such a flavorful and easy to make recipe. Check it out on my blog.